Robotics and AI is the next computer revolution. We are moving towards a world where man and robot are going to coexist. But then, how do we communicate with robots? Coding is the language of robots. Learning coding from an early age enables children to build their life skills like critical thinking, creativity, collaboration, and communication. In terms of making them career ready, it is important to give them the right foundation. There are multiple domains like animation, where your child can express themselves and their knowledge by creating animations, game designing, where they can make their time more productive and engaging in a fun way. Next is a platform where your child can simulate concepts of robotic applications at home and in industries and also design 3D backdrops. The app development course encourages children to build their own personalized productive tools like a to-do list. Also, why let your child play games on phone when they can create their own? The AI course lets children build elements that make a smartphone smart, like image processing in mobile phones and letting computers feel human emotions. Finally, check, enable, and ensure the security of your digital gateway. For digital security is the first step to personal security. This course provides an easy understanding on how to ensure one's data is secure. So, why wait when your child's chance to innovate is at your fingertips? Get started with us in making your child future ready.